Hey everybody, welcome to week 4 for your reading and writing intervention class. Great job so far. Let's keep the ball rolling. All right, for week 4, you're going to have 3 assignments this week. Last week we had 2, this week we have 3. Remember, this is an every other day type thing, so that's why we have 3 assignments this week. All right, you're going to look, the setup is just like last week's. You're going to go into your folder for the week, and you're going to have to look for the week 4 day 1 PDF. All right. This is from the same workbook that we use. You're going to be editing some sentences, doing some parts of speech work. You're going to download that on your iPad, Notability, whatever app you want to use. You're going to fill it out the best you can. And then you're going to find where it says week 4 day 1 upload. That's where you're going to upload it. Then you do the same thing. Week 4 day 2. Find the week 4 day 2 upload. You're going to download the week 4 day 3. Then you're going to do the week 4 day 3 upload, okay? If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me. We can FaceTime, we can Google Hangout, we can do phone calls, and you can Schoology message me. Have a great day.